better than the weekend. We can take a back to what we said. Just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can't show me just what I'm missing. Pretend. Don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. As I always say to my new subbies and my old, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for joining your girl. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate that to the fullest. Y'all, as y'all can see the madness behind me, it is time to get out there in them streets. As you see by the clock, I am a little late. I was supposed to have been gone already, y'all. That's what I said today, but it's Monday. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just really, truly going out to get my face out there, let everybody know that your girl is in the streets and she's ready to make that money. So without further ado, I am about to take y'all on a little tour to let y'all see what I got going on behind me. All right, let's go, y'all. All right, welcome to my madness, y'all. I'm about to get out here in these streets like OMG. I got my little wagon already prepped for my first round. So of course, everything is not going out with me today. Not at all, not at all. But I'm thinking about setting up at least a table or two. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, this is behind the scenes of what I got going on. This is where I had a lot of my baskets in here on the table and under the table, y'all. I had them wherever I can put them at. This, I have not priced these yet. This one I got to go redo because it fell. So she's definitely not going. I might take one of these out. Just one. Thinking about this one right here. All right, let me flip y'all back around. I'm gonna take these out so I can get my tail out this house, because if I don't, I'm just gonna continue to try to make and create. I don't want to do that. I want to get out there and get my face shown today. So I had to put an end to it, and now it is way past the time I want to get out again. It's okay. All right, so that is it. I just wanted to hop on here really quick, y'all. I am going to take y'all out there with me. We're going to go out there once I get set up and let y'all see the little setup. Ain't nothing special to what I do. It's just going to be where I set up. I'm hoping and praying. There is this lady, y'all, that she started to come up there. So she sells food. I hope she left me a space. I don't know. We're going to see. I'm blessed. I'm okay. I felt that God sent me in that area, and it's going to be there for me. So I'm not even going to stress on it. We're going to be blessed about it, right? All right, anyways, that is it for right now, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get out there in them streets. So if y'all are already out there, y'all be safe, be blessed, and don't forget to be a blessing to others. All right, sorry about that. Hubby was calling. I'll see y'all out in the streets. Let's go, y'all. What's up, y'all? I just got to hop on here so I can show y'all the madness. This is what it's looking like in my car. What I did, got my daughter following behind me, just leaving out of the apartment. So before I really get on the road, I want y'all to see how. Can y'all see? I don't know. I got them inside of boxes, so yeah. This is what I gotta do to get myself. Oh, sorry. This is what I gotta do to make it happen, y'all. This one car, I ain't been no U-Haul. I ain't at that level yet, but in due time. Trust and believe me. I wish I just owned a big old truck like that. A U-Haul size type car, truck, or whatever you want to call it. So, I will let y'all know. I'll get back on here when I get out there on my spot. But anyways, yeah, like I said, I'll get back out there. I'll come back on to show y'all my little setup when I get out there. I'll be back with y'all. What time is it? After 1. I'll make it there about 1:30 to my location. Time I'll see y'all in a little bit. Don't y'all go nowhere. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right? Love! I done made it out here, y'all. I just brought out this one table and this little tiny table that I brought out because I need a bigger table. I just didn't feel like loading all my tables up. Anyways, I'm out here. I ran off and forgot my balloons to draw more attention to myself. Forgot all of that. I'm gonna have to put my tent in the dirt because it's about to get windy. It's windy out here, y'all. My daughter's sitting over there in the car. That, I'm gonna get my tent into the dirt and bolt it down just in case the wind tries to get me. So anyway, this is my little setup. I'm out here. My daughter took off for a minute. As y'all see, I told you I am out here blessed. This is where God put me. So my spot is gonna be here. I feel no matter what time I get out here. So I got it where they can come around and set up. And look at both angles. That's all I'm bringing today. I kind of hate I got so much jammed up here. Y'all got these cards that I got from another. Hold on, y'all. Alright, I was saying I got these cards from the 99-cent store, y'all, when they was going out of business. I have so many. But I grabbed those and these. Got some in Spanish and English. It's windy. Y'all see how windy it is? Y'all look how cute she is. I added a balloon to this one, y'all. Y'all remember that one on my video? I put a balloon in it. I thought that brought it out a little more. So, yes. I think she cute. She cute. My prices are on there. I think, hopefully it didn't fly off. My prices are on here. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So that is it for right now. Alright, so I'll be back on to let y'all know how I do. It is, let me see, what time is it? It is 2:20. I've been out here for an hour already and nothing has happened. But I'm still in my little location that I'm always at, that I've been here for a year. Since I started, I've been out here in the same little location where everybody can see me. Alright, y'all be blessed. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.